Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to use PDF Maker Airtable extension. In the last video we saw how to create templates inside PDF Maker Airtable extension. So this is the template we just created like in the last video. And now in this video we'll see how to use this template to generate PDFs. To generate PDF, go to this tab Generate PDF. And here you have to select the template. So for this video, we are going to use this template, demo template, which is the template we created in the last video. And here in the next step, you have to specify in which field you want to save the PDF. So here I'm going to save the PDF inside contract PDF. And you can only select attachment field here, so make sure you have attachment field in your table. After this, you have another option which is having a custom name for your PDF. If you enable this, you have to select a field which will be used as your PDF name. So I'm going to use this one. So contract ID will be the PDF name. Here you have two options, either you can generate the PDF or you can see the preview for the PDF. So let's generate the PDF. To generate the PDF, select the record. You can select multiple records. Using this, you can generate PDF in bulk. So I'm going to select these two records for the bulk creation. If you want to create single PDF, you just have to select one record. So I'm going to select these two records and I'm going to click on generate. It will take 5 to 10 seconds and your PDF will be right here. As you can see here, a PDF has been generated. As you can see here, the PDF. We also had the custom PDF name. So this is the custom PDF name. And the second one is this. So the second record doesn't have enough data, that's why it's blank, few of the data is not visible. So this is how you use PDF Maker Airtable extension for creating PDFs in bulk or single PDFs. Thank you.